Hello, fellow island riders. Glad to have you along for another adventure today at IslandADV, and specifically, we're in Cavendish today. Taking in a bit of the ocean view scenery here, just outside Cavendish National Park. It's a little bit sunny, maybe I'll drop the shade down. Anyway, today, I was taking a look around at the maps, as I tend to do, and I noticed some really cool spots just around this area and a little bit beyond. Now when you look at the map straight up, it kind of looks like it's just a bunch of dirt roads, but I have a feeling that there's something a little bit more hidden down there. So I figure, why don't we take a look and see if we can find anything. And the surest way to find something like that is to hop on the old KLR 650 here and see if we can drum something up. See if Silver Fox here can help us out. What do you think, Fox? You want to go tear it up here around Cavendish? Oh man, you're always down for a good ride. Anyway, let's see what we got to offer. So Cavendish is quite a well-known spot in Prince Edward Island for a number of reasons. One, as we just saw, the views are pretty awesome. And two, well, it's really got a lot of attractions that tourists tend to like. But today, we're heading a little bit away from the water and going down into the woods, where I like to be. The plan is essentially to head towards an area called Toronto, not the actual Toronto, but of course, obviously. But from there, we end up getting into the woods a little bit, and it's there that I think we have some potential to find some stuff. And from there, actually, even off of that, we jump on to I'm not even sure I know what the area is, but it's off of St. Mary's Road, and there's a couple roads in there that look like they've got something in them. So we'll have to see how it plays out, have to see how it shakes out. You never know what you're going to end up finding when you start snooping around at the ends of the red dirt roads out here. Usually end up finding a pretty decent adventure. Which way to Toronto, bud? Oh, we'll just take a ride up in Cavendish. Go find her. Heard there go jobs up in Toronto. Now, I should be able to just stroll right through the center here. Oh yeah, this is something for sure. Toronto Road. No exit sign seems appealing, but let's wait for this fella here to come through, and we'll see what we got. Whoa. A lot of vehicle traffic on this run. Stay frosty. That looks like something. Might be worth throwing the trail lights on. So what I think I'm seeing out here is you come up through here and you make a rather abrupt right turn, and then a left turn, and then a left turn again, and then it comes back on itself almost. But within that last segment, it looks like there's something kind of meanders through the woods. Here's that left, or right. And here's something worth exploring. Let's see what this is all about, huh? Pop the top maybe on this. Take her easy through here. This is pretty slimy stuff. All right. Yeah, feel that slip out. What do we got up through here now? If you pack it in, pack it out, please don't litter. All right. Where do you think this goes, folks? Gates are open. I think we check this out. Oh yeah, a bit of mud here. Let's get a gauge of this. Not bad at all. What's that all about now? Yeah, a few little watering holes here, aren't there? It looks deep, but it shouldn't be a big issue at all. Oh, alongside or right through her, guys? What do you think? I think we paddle her through. Woo! Nice! Yeah, the signs almost look like it's an ATV club trail. Stuff is slick, man. Yeah, it's not worth going up on the middle, really. It's deep as all get out. Whoa. All right, easy does it. Oh man, this is, I don't know. I think we got her. But it's some black. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, there's a lot of mystery under there. I hit a few rocks that kind of made me feel a little bit weird on that one. Slow, it's a quiet zone here, folks. What is this place? Pine Tree Lodge. What is this place? It's maintained, whatever it is. Hello? What is this? Welcome to the Pine Tree Lodge. Open for your use. Please respect our cabin. I will. My goodness. The things you find when you start looking around. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. That this just exists here. Well, to whomever has this place set up, I appreciate you. Thank you very much. The barbecue out and everything. This is a testament to Prince Edward Island, folks. I mean, someone can just leave this cabin right out in the open like this and put a sign up like that, and it looks like it's in great shape. Let's see. Well, congrats, Kevin and Hannah. Or Nevin and Hannah? Congrats, either way. It's open, oh my god. Hello? Just a weary adventurer here. My goodness. Pine Tree Lodge photo album. I did not know this was here. This is crazy. Oh, it's for skidooing. Neat. Looks like they had a lot of fun on this area. Neato. To whoever you guys are, this is awesome. Also, you forgot your Gatorade. Well, today is November the 7th, 2020. Doski was here. With IslandADV. Well, folks, if you find me before I find you, thank you very much for setting this place up. Neat. Suspicion was right, Fox. There's definitely more to this place than what's on the map. Well, that's interesting. All right, let's take a look. So knowing what we know now about this place, that it's a snowmobiler's hangout, we might want to stay a little extra frosty because the trails are probably not going to be all that hot as far as conditions are concerned. I've already seen some pretty black looking mud, but we'll just have to play it by ear. Pass required. Well, I got a trail pass. Clubhouse. Cool. Alright, well, oh man, that looks steep. Anyway, let's go take a look at it and see what we get. I mean, overall, this doesn't look too bad at all. Worst case scenario, we end up getting to a closed gate and we can't go around it. Let me just double back. Heads up, big roots. Back end is a slipping. Left side or right side or stall? Left side or right side? What do we got? This might be the end of her, folks. I'm not about to go through that field. There might be something off to the right here, but I think that's where that goes. Yeah, I think we turn around. That was deep. All right. Yeah, it's a little backtracking, never hurt anybody. It's the right side, or left side on this one. Wow. All right, we're getting back to her here now. How you liking the mud, Fox? Now, that's not even what I thought I was gonna find here. Well, let's see what else this place has in store. We are definitely zeroing in on a good new route unlocked here today, folks. So where do we go?